Wow, what did they plan now? Eh? See you now, they should drain, eh? Now they should drain. Shay. Now wow. See. See. Now they should drain. Eh? Now wow. See. See two lovers, so they don't get house. When they go inside room now. What did they plan now? Oh no. Shay. Now wow. See you people when want to do bad things. See how they look. Shay. Now wow.
I'm not seeing them.
Wow. See. Huh? They no get room. What did they happen now? Eh? Hey, we can go this side. We can carry them away. Now, wow, people who did this world though. What did that? See. What did they look now? All this boyfriend and girlfriend, they will not respect themselves. Eh? They no go respect themselves. So now knock, they won't knock for this backyard. Or what do they want to do now? Now wow, people do this world though. Oh boy, what will be the plan now? What will be the plan? Look at the washer. We can get a closer shot. Get a closer shot. Where they don't pass. Okay, did they come back? Did they come back? Sure. Wow. Look how make them change their mind now.